As the price of natural gas reaches new highs week after week, Europe's energy crisis worsens right alongside it. Producers and consumers are already feeling the pinch, and winter is approaching fast. We think investors should take a cautious approach to Europe, as the economy likely will struggle with production cutbacks and consumer pessimism. Let's take a closer look. In the last 2 years, natural gas prices in Europe have risen fivefold and stand at much higher levels than in the rest of the world. Russia's severe cutback of its energy supply to Europe has contributed significantly to the crisis, but less hydroelectric power because of droughts, coal shipments being hampered by the low level of Germany's Rhine, and maintenance problems at French nuclear reactors have recently exacerbated the shortage. This has forced some energy-intensive companies to cut back or even halt production, and consumers are being forced to spend more on energy, cutting into disposable income. Unsurprisingly, consumer and producer sentiment has dropped precipitously. In response, we expect governments to focus on preventing shortages while supporting the most vulnerable members of society. That will be helpful, but unlikely to fend off a recession. The European Central Bank likely knows the direct impact of the price surge will be transitory, but we believe it will still be watching carefully for signs that inflation expectations and wage growth move higher. We don't dismiss the risk of more monetary tightening through higher interest rates to corral inflation, with the potential side effect of deepening a recession. We think investors will struggle to navigate the combination of a potential recession and further inflation, especially when it comes with a dollop of geopolitical risk. As a result, we maintain an underweight position in European equities, making note that companies are more exposed to the downside risk of potential energy rationing. In the meantime, we will monitor the fiscal and monetary policy response to this crisis, which, if forceful enough, could lead us to revisit our stance.